How did you find Custom Pool Pros?
So we were still living in upstate New York, and we were thinking of moving to New Jersey. And I started looking for companies that they make pools because we had pool there and we really loved it, and we want to have a pool again in our new location. So I just looked on internet, and that's what I found.
What was your deciding factor for choosing Custom Pool Pros?
What happened when I was looking, I spoke to many companies, probably about 4 or 5, and we were deciding in between fiberglass and Gunite. And we had fiberglass before, but when I spoke to Tom, he kind of, encouraged me to do the Gunite because of what we wanted and where we wanted, also the location of the pool, towards the house, and also because we wanted bigger this time. So that was definitely one of the factors why we decided, and he had really good points why to do that, why to choose the Gunite. And yeah, that's pretty much how I decided.
How was your experience when choosing options and materials for your new pool?
I like it very much. I like natural, environment. I didn't want to make a bright blue pool or whitish kind of thing. I wanted to have it more in a natural way, and Tom really helped with that to choose the right materials. And so far, we really like that.
How was the quality of work?
So far, great. Yeah, there's not been an issue. Yeah, I was quite happy. The guys who were doing it did a really good job. I thought they were doing, I mean, I think they did it like in 6 or 7 weeks finally, because there's always some kind of issues to solve out. But yeah, they did a good job.
How would you rate communication with Custom Pool Pros staff?
They were pretty quick, and they did a good job in overall.
Does the pool fit your family's needs?
Yes.
How do you feel coming home and having access to a pool at all times?
So, like my son just came home from school right now, and he's probably anxious to get to the pool. So this is what, noon, and he can swim till whatever, till evening. He swims usually 3 to 4 times a day, and each time is about an hour. So it's been used whole afternoon. So, and sometimes in the night, when it's a fun day or something. So yeah, that's quite amazing.
Right.
Would you recommend Custom Pool Pros?
Definitely, yes.
At Custom Pool Pros, our mission is to transform your backyard into a personal oasis through exceptional craftsmanship, transparent communication, and unwavering reliability. We pride ourselves on using only the highest quality materials paired with skilled artistry and an expedient work ethic to deliver stunning swimming pools that stand the test of time. From the first consultation to the final touch, we ensure a smooth, surprise-free process rooted in trust and clear communication. Let us bring your vision to life with a seamless experience that exceeds your expectations. Contact us today to begin a smooth journey to your dream backyard.